Let the good times roll and learn about all the practical, stylish and safe original BMW accessories for your wheels and tyres. Safety first. Make sure your wheels are protected. The original BMW Wheel Bolt Locks provide effective theft protection and are FATCHM certified. They're available in 2 sizes. The set includes 4 wheel bolt locks, the master key and a code card on the back. You might need the code to reorder the master key, so store it safely. The wheel bolt locks can only be opened with a matching master key. Here's how to mount them. Make sure the parking brake is set with engaged gear or in P. Unscrew one of the original wheel bolts of every wheel. Check if the existing bolts have the same length as the wheel bolt lock. Do not use any grease or oil on the threads. Put the wheel bolt lock in by hand and make sure it engages fully in the coding groove. Then tighten it with a master key using a fitting spanner socket. Make sure to use the correct tightening torque. Look it up in your manual or the BMW Driver's Guide app specifically for your car. Be aware, before dismounting the wheels, unscrew the wheel bolt lock first. Store the master key in a designated place in your car, like the trunk for example. Add an eye catcher with the original BMW Fixed Hub Caps. The caps are self-leveling and come in 2 sizes. Make sure to pick the right one for your wheel styling. Time for a change. To install the Fixed Hub Caps during a wheel change, slowly push the current caps out of the rim from the backside. Using a plastic tool makes it easier. Now simply press the BMW Fixed Hub Caps in till they snap in place, just like that. You can also install the caps while the rims are mounted to the car. Check if the current caps are clean and pull them out. For example, by using a stable plastic blade or a vacuum cap, like that of a smartphone holder. Another individual touch. Add the BMW Valve Caps with BMW or BMW M emblem. Screw out the current valve caps and replace them with the new ones. That's all. Keep rolling. With the BMW Mobility Set as an accessory, you can fix a minor tyre damage quickly in order to continue your journey. You can only use the Mobility Set effectively to temporarily fix tyre damages of up to 4 mm. Take the BMW Mobility System from the storage compartment and unpack it. Please check the operating instructions before use. And make sure to replace the sealant composite container when the stated best before date is reached or after each use. To use the Mobility Set, you can put on the included protective gloves. Remove the tyre valve cap from the damaged tyre and the sticker from the air repair switch on the Mobility Set compressor. Remove the cap from the compressor hose and screw the end of the hose tightly onto the tyre valve. Plug the electric connection of the Mobility Set into your BMW's 12-volt socket and switch the vehicle on. Switch the compressor on to repair and press the button to start inflating the tyre. The gauge on the compressor shows the current tyre inflation pressure. Inflate the tyre up to a pressure of at least 2 bar and no more than 2.5 bar. Stop the compressor. Remove the hose from the tyre valve, put the cap back on and unplug the electric cable from the vehicle. Move the vehicle about 10 meters forwards or backwards to allow the sealant composite to spread out inside the tyre. Immediately drive for about 3 kilometers, keeping to a speed over 20 kilometers per hour if possible, but not exceeding 60 kilometers per hour. After the drive, check the pressure with the included manometer to read the tyre inflation pressure off the gauge. If additional tyre pressure is needed, switch on the compressor to air and press the button to start inflating the tyre. You should not exceed 80 kilometers per hour. Put the sticker on the windscreen to inform the driver about the reduced speed limit. Please make sure to change the damaged tyre as soon as possible. With the included valve adapters, you can also use the Mobility Set to inflate other devices like bicycle tyres or balls. Time for a change. M Performance tyre bags protect your wheels, your BMW and the driver during transport or storage, and bring the M Performance racetrack feeling into your garage. Before storing your wheels, make sure they're cleaned properly with original BMW Group Care products. Each of the 4 BMW M Performance tyre bags features the position of the relevant tyre. Place the BMW M Performance tyre bag on the floor with the inside facing upwards. Wrap the BMW M Performance tyre bag around the appropriate wheel and ensure that it fits snugly. If necessary, roll the tyre back and forth so that the BMW M Performance tyre bag can be placed tightly around the tyre. Close the main Velcro fastening on the tread with a fleece tape from the end. You can use the handle loops on the BMW M Performance tyre bags to carry and stack your tyres. And when they're on, BMW Accessories have also got your wheels covered in winter. Snow chains allow you to drive in heavy snow conditions, for example in mountainous regions. The BMW Snow Chains Comfort are available for most BMW models. Make sure to only fit the snow chains onto the wheels of your vehicle's main drive axle. To mount the snow chain, hold it out in front of you, making sure no parts are tangled. Pass the ring over the top of the wheel through the wheel arch and let it spring back together behind the wheel. Move the wheel approximately a quarter turn forwards or backwards. The yellow tensioning chain must not be underneath the wheel. Pull the yellow coloured part of the tensioning chain completely through the locking plate. Pull it tight and hang it in the locking opening. Guide the tensioning chain upwards towards the locking opening. Pull the tensioning chain in sequence through all of the pull-through eyes. Unwind the clamping hook a little, applying slight tension, and hook it into the outer chain. Avoid overstretching or twisting the clamping hook. And there is also the BMW Snow Chains Disc, which is installed very similarly. After spreading the chains out, pass the ring over the top of the wheel through the wheel arch and let it spring back together behind the wheel. Move the wheel approximately a quarter turn forwards or backwards. To prevent damage to the vehicle, it's only permitted for the vehicle to be moved if the yellow-coloured part of the tensioning chain has been fully pulled outwards. Wind the tensioning chain anti-clockwise. Slightly stretch the elastic storage hook and hook it. Avoid overstretching or twisting the clamping hook. After driving for 200 to 300 meters, check the tension of the chain and retighten if necessary. When equipped with integral active steering, to ensure traffic safety and to prevent damage to your vehicle, you need to check the Snow Chains fitted box. Enjoy 360 degrees of BMW accessory care and continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.